Hey everyone, so here I've got a super simple train track. As you can see, it literally just goes round in a circle. But at roughly equal intervals, we have these simple push buttons which will send a signal to the attached Raspberry Pi via its GPIO pins. So, as the train travels around the track, it will press these buttons, sending a signal to our Python application running on the Raspberry Pi. Here we can see what's running on my Raspberry Pi. Every time a train passes through one of the buttons, a log message is outputted and we publish the message to PubNub. And now what we're looking at is the console output of my Java application, which is subscribed to the same channel that the Raspberry Pi is publishing messages to. Using the train's interactions with the buttons, we can determine where the train is on the track and also its speed between two given measurements.